dear cute lovable students. A very good morning to all. How are you? How are you students? I hope you are good, isn't ma? Okay, so I hope you are being safe with your family. Yes? Are you going out unnecessarily? No, okay, you should not go out. Okay, so now the situation is bad, isn't? Okay, so you should not go out. Okay, so today I welcome you to an English class. Okay, are you happy, students? Are you happy? Yes? Okay, so I hope you are happy, isn't? Okay, so have you studied the meanings and opposite for lesson 1? Have you studied, ma? Meanings, opposite and verb form. In the last class we have learnt meanings, opposite and verb form, isn't it? So have you have you take it on your booklet, English booklet? Okay, have you finished learning? Yes. So those who didn't take, okay, those who forgot to take the notes on your booklet, please take it, okay. So now I'm saying, one thing, students. Please keep, okay, 2 English booklet with you, okay. So for one, we want to write the character list, isn't? So in the first class itself, I told some of the character I listed, I dictated in the board. I told you to take down the note, isn't, ma? Okay, so what you want to do means, okay, keep 2 booklet for English, okay, keep 2 separate note for English. One note, so when I am taking class, something I will say you to write, isn't? Yeah, something I will dictate in the board and I will ask you to copy it in the note. So for that, you keep one separate booklet, and for writing, okay, lesson 1 notes. That means your study notes, okay. So in the last class we have learned meanings, opposite, verb forms in. So like that, okay. So that and all you want to write it in the another booklet, okay, ma. So please take separate note for 2 separate note for English, okay. So today we are going to learn the frame sentence and answer the following for lesson 1, okay. Frame sentence and answer the following for lesson 1, okay. So this note, okay, this topic, that means this note you want to write in the separate note, okay. So the character list, what and all I am teaching in the YouTube, okay, what and all I am dictating in the board, you want to write it on the another note, okay, so that you won't be collapsed, okay, ma. You won't be collapsed. If you write everything in one booklet, you will be collapsed. What I want to study for exam, like that, okay. So please take 2 note for separate note. That means for home assignment. Okay, so in order to write a character list, okay, so in that booklet you can write a home assignment. If I give any assignment, home assignment, so in that booklet you want to write a home assignment, okay. So I will say, okay, now you want to write this thing in this booklet, okay, this thing in this booklet. By that you will be very clear, okay, ma. So today what you are going to learn means, yeah, frame sentence and answer the following, okay. Shall we start our class? Okay, so be enjoy the subject and be listen the class, okay, ma. So today first frame sentence. Okay, so in the last class what did we learn, ma? Last class what did we learn? Yeah, we learned the meanings, opposite and verb forms. So in this class we are going to learn frame sentence and answer the following for lesson 1, okay. So what is the title of the lesson 1? What's the title of the lesson 1? Yeah, Tanzan the magical musician, okay. So I hope you are thorough in that story, isn't, ma? Are you clear in that story? Okay, so now we can see the frame sentence, okay. So frame sentence, first question is road, okay, R-O-A-R-E-D, road. What is the meaning of road, students? Road, what is the meaning of road? When I'm teaching the story, when I'm explaining the story, I have, okay, said the meaning of road. Are you remembering? What is the meaning of road? Road means, okay, shouting, okay, shouting like an animal or shouting like a bird is in, okay, that is meant by road. So look at the answer, okay. So we want to create a sentence with this word road, okay ma. So shall we see the sentence for road? Okay, so listen students, little Tanzan rode like a tiger, okay. Little Tanzan rode like a tiger. So are you okay remembering this sentence? Did little Tanzan rode like a tiger in the story? Yes or no? Yes, he rode. How he when he rode? Yeah, when okay he was spending the time in the forest. At that time, a group of singers were paused. Yeah, near the forest. So at that time, this little boy, what he did? Yeah, he hid behind a tree and he rode like a tiger. Okay, so have you understood, students? So what is the sentence created for rode? Yeah, little Tanzan rode like a tiger. Okay, so have you understood, ma? Okay, next, second word, create. Okay, second word is, yeah, create. C-R-E-A-T-E, create. Okay, so what is the meaning of create, ma? Do you know the meaning of create? Create means something we are creating new. Okay, something we are creating new. That is the create. So, see the sentence for create. One can use music to create happiness or sadness. Once again I am repeating, students. One can use music to create happiness or sadness. Okay. So in this story, Tanzan the magical musician. Yeah, we have learned some of the music, is it? Yeah, can you say some of the ragas? So in this story we have learned two important raga. Raga means tune, isn't ma? So can you say the name of the two raga? Yeah, Deepak raga and Mirg raga, isn't? So this, okay, so Tanzan learned music how to sing, isn't? So when we are in a happy mood, Tanzan will sing a very interesting song. Then when we are in sad mood, Tanzan will sing some of the feeling song. Like that, he became a very great musician, isn't? So for this create, okay, for this create, the sentence is, one can use music to create happiness or sadness. Okay, so one can, okay, use this music to create. Okay, music will bring happiness and also the sadness. Okay, so music can create a person to be, yeah, happiness or sadness. Okay, have you understood, ma? So are you clear in the French sentence? Yes or no? Okay, yes. So next, shall we go to answer the following? Okay, so Roman letter 5, answer the following questions. Okay, so first question, Emperor Akbar asked Tanzan to sing Deepak Raga. Why did he do so? What do we learn about Akbar's character from this story? Okay, so listen, students, listen the question. Who is this Akbar, ma? Who is this Akbar? Yeah, good. Akbar is an emperor of India, isn't? He was one of the famous man of India. Okay, so this Akbar only make this Tanzan, ask this Tanzan to Deepak Raga, isn't ma? Yes. Why this man said like that? That means why this Akbar said Tanzan to sing Deepak Raga, and what is the character? Okay, what do we learn about Akbar in this story? That Akkud means story. Okay, so what is the name of the story? Yeah, Tanzan the magical musician. Okay, so have you understood the question, ma? So Akbar is an emperor of India. So this Akbar only asked this Tanzan to sing Deepak Raga, isn't ma? So why this man Akbar? Why this man he does so? Okay, why this man asked Tanzan to sing this Deepak Raga? And what we learn? Okay, what we learn about the character of Akbar in this story. Okay, so this story, okay, this question, Yeah, we want to write two answers, you see. First one is why this Akbar asked Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. That is the one answer. And another one we want to write a character of this Akbar, is it? Okay, so shall we see the answer? Okay, look at the answer, ma. Emperor Akbar asked Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga. So we can write this is in the question, isn't ma? Yeah, Emperor Akbar asked Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. Okay, so come on. Okay, this much you can copy it from the question. Because the jealous courtiers of Tansen forced Akbar to do so. Is it? So did any enemies is there for Tansen in Akbar's court? Yeah, is there, isn't? So they only said Akbar to please this Tansen to sing Deepak Raga, isn't? So that only in here, because the jealous courtiers of Tansen forced Akbar to do so. Okay, so the jealous courtiers, okay, because of the jealous courtiers only, okay, Akbar forced this Tansen to sing this Deepak Raga. Okay, ma. So this is the answer for the first question. And the second thing, we can see the Akbar's character. Akbar listened the court even when he knew that the Deepak Raga was difficult. Okay, so Akbar also know Deepak Raga is difficult, isn't? So okay, whether Deepak Raga is difficult or Megh Raga is difficult, ma? Yeah, Deepak Raga is difficult, isn't? So Akbar knows that Deepak Raga is difficult, okay? But he listen the court. He doesn't listen the Tansen, okay? So this is one of the character of Akbar. Tansen tried to persuade the king about the risk of singing that raga, okay? So from the story itself we have learned, isn't? When Akbar asked Tansen to sing this Deepak Raga, Tansen is saying to Akbar that it is very difficult, isn't ma? But this Akbar, did he hear the words of Tansen? No, isn't? But the king would not listen, and he seems to be gullible and easily influenced in the story, okay? So this is the character of Akbar, okay? So Akbar only listens the court. He doesn't listen the Tansen, okay? So Akbar knows that Deepak Raga is very difficult, but he only listen the court, okay? He doesn't listen the Tansen, okay? So this is the character of Akbar, okay? So Emperor Akbar asked Tansen to sing Deepak Raga because he heard the jealous courtiers and he asked the Tansen to sing Deepak Raga, and Akbar knows that Deepak Raga is very difficult, but he doesn't listen the Tansen's word. He only listens the court. Okay, ma, have you understood? So once again, shall we repeat the first question, ma? Okay, so listen the question, first question. Emperor Akbar asked Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. Why did he do so? What do we learn about Akbar's character from this account? That means from this story, okay? So look at the answer, ma. Emperor Akbar asked Tansen to sing the Deepak Raga because the jealous courtiers of Tansen forced Akbar to do so. Akbar listened the court even when he knew that the Deepak Raga was difficult. Tansen tried to persuade the king about the risk of singing that raga, but the king would not listen, and he seems to be gullible and easily influenced in the story. Okay, so have you understood? I have explained the answer also, isn't ma? So have you understood? So if you have any doubt in the answer the following, you can ask, okay, ask me in the interactive section, okay. I will explain you in the interactive section, okay ma. So the second question, look at the second question. There are several magical events mentioned in this biographical account. Work with your partners to discuss which of these events you think is the most magical and why, okay. So look at listen the question. I am explaining the question, okay. So in this story there were several magical events, okay. So what we want to do, we want to, okay, list which incident make us to feel that this incident is very magic for the story, okay. So that is the question, okay, second question, okay. So can you guess which incident is magical incident in the story? That means the Tansen, the magical musician. Can you guess which incident is very magical? So in the beginning we saw that, okay, so the people from Gwalior, what they will do, ma? Yeah, so in the Gwalior there is a tomb of Tansen. Near to the tomb of Tansen there is one tamarind tree, isn't ma? So there is one tamarind tree, okay, so it is a very small tree. So the people from the Gwalior, what they believe, if you pluck this tamarind leaf and if we eat, our voice will be very sweet, isn't like that? Yeah, the people believe. So that is also one of the magical events, isn't ma? Whether if we eat any leaf, whether our voice will be very sweet? No, see? So that is also one of the magical event. And at the end of the story, okay, at the end of the story, there is also one of the magical event. Can you see what is that? What happened at the end of the story? What happened, ma? So, okay, when Tansen sang this Deepak Raga is very difficult, isn't ma? Yeah, when Tansen sang this Deepak Raga, what happened? Yeah, the court became very hot. Okay, so Tansen's body also became very fire. So after finishing this Deepak Raga, after Tansen finishing this Deepak Raga, what happened? Yeah, Ruba sang Meghraga. So what is the mean by Meghraga? Yeah, Meghraga means when if anybody sings this Meghraga, what will happen? Yeah, rain will come. So what happened? Yeah, when after Tansen finished singing Deepak Raga, Ruba start to sing Meghraga. So suddenly Tansen and other members from the court, they went out and rain also came. What happened, ma? Yeah, the fire, the rain water take out all the fires from Tansen's body. So that is also one of the magic. How? Yeah, rain took out the fire from the Tansen. So that is also the magical event. Okay, so in this question, so we can see the answer at the end of the story. Okay, so at the beginning also there is a magical event. At the end of the story also there is a magical event. So in this question we have mentioned the end of the story. Okay, so at the end of the story we see Tansen singing the Deepak Raga together with Ruba, who sang the Meghraga. Isn't ma? Yeah, Tansen is sitting in one side and Ruba is sitting in one side. The ambience of the court where rain follows, fire must be magical. Isn't ma? What happened? Yeah, when fire, so Tansen, when Tansen sang this Deepak Raga, what happened? Yeah, fire came. That is one of the magic. And next Ruba, when Ruba sang this Meghraga, what happened? Yeah, rain came. So this is also one of the magic. Okay, so have you understood, ma? Have you understood? Okay, so I will give this notes to you. Okay, so what you want to do? You want to copy the note in your English booklet. Okay, so at the beginning of the class I have told you should keep two booklet for English. Okay, one for writing your home assignment and another one for writing your notes. Okay, So what and all I am listing on the blackboard. If you want to copy it on the note, you can write it on the home assignment note. Okay. So what and all I am giving for lesson 1 notes. That means meanings, opposite. Okay ma. Frame sentence, answer the following. This and all you want to copy it to another note. Okay. By that you won't be collapsed. Okay ma. Have you understood? Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this lesson 1 or regarding the question answer, you can ask the doubt in the interactive section. Okay ma? Okay? Okay, so shall we end the class today? Okay, so today itself you complete the note and start to study. Okay? Okay ma. So be happy with your family. Be safe with your family. Okay ma. Now the situation is very bad. So be